Hi guys, so this is the day that I've been waiting for. Andito ako ngayon, boarding na papunta sa Japan. So Japan yung layover ko. So from Japan going to Chicago. So 2 hours yung layover ko sa Japan. And ito na, palakad na ako papunta sa plane. And yeah, I'm excited, mixed emotions, masaya, excited, and syempre malungkot din na nandun yung foam bomb. But anyway, madali lang naman yung panahon. Soon, magkikita-kita ulit kami. And yeah, dito na ako ngayon sa loob ng airport. I'm looking for my seats. And ito na, nakita ko na yung seats ko. And so far, comfortable ng seats. And I'm so lucky. I don't have katabi. And ayan yung plane. Diba? So, ito na. Ready na for take off. And ayan na. I'm starting to feel na papunta na talaga ako. Paalis na ako ng Pilipinas. And yeah. So, naging emotional na ako dyan kasi magta-take off na. And I miss the Bam Bam so much. And yan, palipad na tayo. So, yeah. So, para malibang ako, I watch a movie, and then I sleep, and then when I wake up, yeah, malapit na tayo kalahati na. Almost, sobra na sa kalahati. And yan, the flight was good. As in, walang turbulence. So, thanks to God. And then yan, para yung bintana, dumilim. Yan. Super high-tech ng Japan. And yan, yung winash ko, Megan. Ang ganda ng film na yan. So, nalibang ako. And then, yan, to check the flight. So, yan na, malapit na kami. I mean, we're almost there na talaga. So, we're preparing to landing na this time. And here I am in Japan. So, yeah. Here I am. And magla-landing na kami nito. So, that's it.